Towering ridgelines, creek frontage, miles of trails, panoramic views, and deep bluegrass history come together to create one of the most remarkable legacy properties in the region. Welcome to the reserve at Mandolin Hills, a once-in-a-generation opportunity just outside Nashville. As you enter the property, it's immediately clear that this land is something special. Privately tucked within a breathtaking natural hollow and surrounded by soaring 800-foot ridgelines, the estate offers a level of privacy and seclusion that is increasingly difficult to find. Yet, despite the peaceful setting, Interstate 65, shopping, dining, and downtown Nashville remain just a short drive away. The landscape unfolds in every direction, with hardwood-covered ridges, scenic valleys, open meadows, and extensive creek frontage weaving throughout the property. Miles of established trails provide access across the acreage, leading to elevated viewpoints where sweeping panoramas stretch across the Tennessee countryside. Whether you're exploring by ATV, horseback, hiking on foot, or simply taking in the scenery, every section of the property offers a new perspective. Wildlife thrives throughout the land, making the property equally appealing for recreation, conservation, or creating a private retreat. Multiple potential building sites are already scattered across the acreage, each offering its own unique views and setting for future development. At the center of the estate sits a custom-built residence exceeding 5,000 square feet. Positioned to capture the surrounding beauty, the home enjoys impressive views of the landscape, while offering a rare opportunity for restoration, renovation, or personalization. The structure provides an excellent foundation for creating a truly extraordinary Tennessee estate. One of the property's most unique features is its connection to Tennessee history. Once owned by legendary bluegrass pioneer Bill Monroe, the Father of Bluegrass, the land carries a legacy that extends far beyond its natural beauty. The combination of historical significance and exceptional acreage creates a property unlike anything else currently available. Adding even more potential, development plans have already been prepared, opening the door for a variety of future possibilities, while preserving the property's character and scale. Whether envisioned as a private family compound, luxury retreat, conservation property, recreational paradise, or long-term investment, the reserve at Mandolin Hills represents a rare opportunity to own 229 acres of history, privacy, natural beauty, and limitless potential in one of Middle Tennessee's most desirable locations.